Okay, Kalapika, we can start better because I don't think so anybody else has joined. So I'll start with speaking. Kalapika, ये पता ही रही है पहला?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Could you please tell me what is your name?
My name is Kalapika Vaghela.
Okay, Kalapika, do you get enough time to spend with your friends and family?
Well, unfortunately, these days I don't get that much time to spend.
Okay. What kind of do you have the friends of of the same age, or do you have the friends those who are are of different age?
Well, moreover, I have friends with
Moreover,
similar.
नहीं था बेटा. Moreover, when you add it, so
Okay,
you can say firstly I have करके.
okay.
Hmm.
Firstly, I have most of my friends with same age as mine, but there are other friends who are quite younger than me.
Okay. Uh, if given a chance, would you like to work in movies or films?
Well, definitely, yes. I'm quite fond of movies and I like acting, and so I would love to have that chance.
Okay. Um, where do you see yourself after 5 or 6 years?
Firstly, I'll complete my bachelor's degree, and then after 5 years, I um
Hmm.
I have made a picture of me working in um some me working for a company
Okay. On what position you would like to work?
as a software developer, I guess.
Okay. Why?
Because I'm interested in this stuff, and I think I'll be good enough to get that job.
Okay. Do you like to use a computer or you carry a laptop and why?
According to me, I uh, carry a laptop because it is more convenient than computer.
Okay. Mm, I'm giving you a cue card, better write it down.
Uh,
Describe a course. Describe a course you recently completed in your institution. Describe a course you recently completed in your institution. What is the course? What is the course? Why did you choose it? Why did you choose it? Next, how did it help you? How did it help you? And explain why did you think and explain why did you think it is better than other courses and explain why did you think it is better than other courses. Okay, you have 1 minute to prepare. Start preparing. Devansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me start with your phase one. Till then she is preparing. So could you please tell me what is your name?
My name is Devansh Chawda.
Okay. Devansh, if I talk about festival, is there is any festival that you don't like to celebrate?
No, most of the festivals I love, and I like to celebrate all of the festivals
Why?
because festivals are tend to be bringing our family together and celebrating together with joy and happiness.
Okay. Devansh, if I talk about extracurricular activities, is there is any kind of activities that you performed in your school days?
In school times, uh, I used to participate in many sport activities, also outdoor as well as indoor activities.
Okay, why?
Because for example, playing chess as an indoor activities will sharpen my mind and also help me to focus in my studies. Also, in outside activities, it is sometimes necessary to stay fit and healthy while studying.
Okay. Now, when I talk about the what I can say, job. Okay. What kind of job would you like to do in the future and why?
In future, I am thinking to be a part of a automobile industry as a designer because nowadays I am too I like to design using AutoCAD software.
Okay. Why have you selected this thing or why won't you do this thing?
The field I chose is mechanical engineering, and the most unique and unique field of mechanical is designing, and also it is quite interesting. While and also one will and I like to design as much as I can.
All right. Do you have a role model?
Yes, I have a role model, and he is Elon Musk.
Okay. Why?
Because Elon Musk ha- uh, has too many companies, and he is always kind and heartful person,
Okay,
hardworking
I'm giving you a cue card topic. Please write it down.
person.
Describe a vehicle. Describe a vehicle you want to buy. Describe a vehicle you want to buy. What type of vehicle is it? What type of vehicle is it? Why will you buy it? Why will you buy it? How did you get interested in it? How did you get interested in it? And explain why did you think? Explain why did you think this is the safest vehicle for you? Why did you think this is the safest vehicle for you?
Okay, ma'am.
Just start preparing. Kalapika prepared, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You can start speaking and your time. Just a second. Okay. Your time
Um,
starts now.
Talking about courses, I remember two courses that I pursued during my institution. One was a language course, and the other was a course related to programming. Now, first of all, Spanish. I chose Spanish because I was itching to learn Spanish since so long. And as soon as I got opportunity to learn this course, I took it. Uh, Moreover, Spanish helped me to listen more Spanish podcasts, which I'm very fond of, and uh, as well as I could talk to my sister in Spanish because she also learned a bit of Spanish. And I think that this course is better than other course because it is quite famous, and I could also watch some series which are in Spanish, and so I can understand it very well. And other languages, I don't think that they are very uh, famous, and so I took this course. And now the other uh, programming course that I took was Python. And additionally, I learned so many new things in this course. And I, by learning this course, I could solve so many programming problems uh, and to
Stop.
having.
Stop. Content આ વખત વધારે હતો. કઈ વાંધો નહીં પણ ચાલશે. Okay, at least you were at your last point. Okay.
Uh,
Kalapika, talking about leadership and politics, do you think people are born to be leaders?
well, according to me, I think some people have their are so bright and they are tend to become politicians.
Okay. Why are elected politicians often so unpopular?
As I see it, I believe that they are unpopular because they are not helping out the people, and they do not
Hmm.
promote helping people, or they do not perform such activities that could uh, help the citizens.
Okay. Do you think leadership can be taught?
No, not actually, because it is in blood. I mean, people just learn things and on their own because this kind of area this kind of area does not need teaching, and people could themselves learn such.
Okay. Do you think it would be a good idea if all the state of heads are unelected? There is no election.
No, no, not at all, because if they are unelected, then the management and everything will not be in proper manner.
Okay. Why do you think it needs a proper manner?
Yeah, I think that it needs a proper manner because there are so many people, and to manage them, have to be certain rules so that they are mannered and they follow certain rules.
All right, fine. So now, same phase 3 hesitation વધારે હતું, Kalapika. We'll keep it 6.5 pants. Your phase 1 and phase 2 was quite good. Because કઈ વસ્તુ lengthy થયો એ વસ્તુ બરાબર છે. Like you completed your task properly. So that is a good one. Okay, 6.5 beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Devansh, please start speaking.
Yes, ma'am.
Start.
From my childhood, I was very interested in buying car from a prominent company like Mercedes, BMW, and Audi. But as soon as I grow up and I study about these companies, I was less interested in them because they were of petrol and diesel engines and also were far costlier than electric cars. So at that time, I noticed electric car company Tesla emerging in automobile interest industry, and from that moment, I decided that I once in my future I will definitely buy a car from a Tesla company because uh, these cars are has a electric engine which only runs on electricity and has no harmful gas or gases emerging out from it. And also the Tesla cars have speed up to 250 mph, which is quite good, and also it is cheaper than the other companies having the same speed. Also, Tesla is one of the safest vehicle because they have passed all the safety measures and all the tests which government conducts, and they have secured the highest positions in all the safety manners.
Okay, stop. Mm, Talking about the retirement and old age, at what age should people retire from their work according to you?
According to me, 55 is the age people should retire because, and also they get retirement early if they want because of the problems they will face in physically, like pain in knees and ankle problems. So it is safer to retirement at the age they like to when they face any physical problems.
Okay, what problems can people face after the retirement?
One of the major problems they face is that they won't receive salary anymore. But some countries do offer salary to them after retirement, but majorly most of the countries do not offer them pays because the they don't work, and also after the retirement they will face uh, problems in their life, like they cannot they cannot do on their own. They cannot make their own food, or they cannot they cannot move out for their basic necessities.
Why do some companies encourage early retirement?
Some companies do retire their employees early because they feel that they are not useless, because and also these companies will allow a freshers to into their company because a fresher will always dedicate their time in companies and all, and these all all employees will get tired easily than the freshers.
Okay,
Also,
according to you, when should people start saving for retirement?
saving from retire should start as soon as they join the company, because if they save some amount of money regularly, then and then only after the retirement they can utilize that money in their necessities. Uh, okay.
Okay. Uh, Devansh will keep at 6 months. થોડું ફેઝ 3 માં ગ્રામરનું એરર થયું હતું વચ્ચે વચ્ચે જસ્ટ ટેક કેર કે ગ્રામર એરર્સ બહુ રિપીટ ના થાય. ઓકે, એન્ડ હજુ ગ્રામરમાં થોડું વેરિએશન્સ લાય. ઠીક છે. સો આઈ
Yes.
ડોન્ટ થિંક સો ઇટ ઇઝ ડિફિકલ્ટ ફોર યુ ટુ ડુ. ઓકે, બટ થોડું વેરિએશન લાય. ઇમ્પ્રુવમેન્ટ જે વસ્તુ આપણે લાસ્ટ વાત થઈ ગઈ છે એનાથી રિલેટેડ ઇમ્પ્રુવમેન્ટ લાવો તો વધારે સારું ફોર બેન્ડ્સ. ઓકે, we'll start with the next module. Both of you know your scores now. Moving on to listening, is it corrected or it's remaining to correct?
It's corrected.
Corrected? Just a second.
Endangered species, the animals still extinct on which percentage? You guys prepare on your own this one, then we can discuss. I'll keep that.
એક જ મિનિટ હા. How much did you all score?
मैडम
34.
37 થી 40 ના આન્સર નતા દેખાતા.
એ હું કહી દઉં તમને. ઓકે, હું હમણાં કહી જ દઉં. 37, 38 and 39 ના જે આન્સર્સ છે. ઓકે, 37 માં ગ્રુપ આવે, 38 સોશિયલ, 39 લીડર, 40 તમે નેટવર્ક લખો કાં તો નેટવર્ક્સ લખો, એનીથિંગ વુડ બી ફાઇન.
And ma'am 19 and 20.
19 and 20 AE, any order.
Yeah.
AE, any order. થઈ ગયું?
Yes ma'am.
ઓકે, હવે સ્કોર ગણીને કહીશ.
38.
Oh, very good. Kalapika, yours?
34.
34, Kalapika. કઈ કઈ શું થયું બેટા? કઈ વાંધો નહીં, ચલો we'll see to it. શું wrong થયું?
એટલે વચ્ચે વચ્ચે થોડું સાંભળવામાં એ થઈ જાય ને તો એક બે એવી રીતના જતા રહે છે.
ઓકે, કઈ વાંધો નહીં. We'll do it again. So, okay, let me know if you can hear.
Published by Cambridge University Press.
Yes?
This recording is
Yes.
copyright.
Okay. Any doubt in 1 to 10?
મેમ નંબર 4 આન્સરમાં
Number 4.
4.45 આપ્યું છે.
હા, તે શું લખ્યું?
ખાલી 45.
ખાલી 45
ખાલી 45?
કેમ કે 4 હતું ને એટલે.
See
4 ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર છે ને બેટા પણ.
ઓહ
દેવાંશ, ઊંઘમાં છો બેટા?
મેડમ ધ્યાન જ
અરે heavy
કલાપિકા, તે એવું કર્યું? That is a question number. ઓકે સો અહીંયા જ ક્લિયર થઈ ગયું કે પ્લે કરો
Yes, ma'am. Nah.
Yes, ma'am.
આ પહેલી વાર કર્યા તમે બંને કઈ વાંધો નહીં ચલો 1 to 10 માં બીજું કઈ
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
ઓકે પછી 11 to 20 માં
No,
to
ma'am.
20
No, ma'am.
okay good 21 to 30
24 and 26.
okay
21.
ચલો
Right, thanks, Andrew. And now, cafe and a book and DVD section. You have some time to answer 15 out of 20 sports. Now listen carefully and answer
21 શું કહે છે one reason why Spiros felt happy about his marketing presentation why he was happy right
questions 21 to 20.
And congratulations to you both in doing so well in your first semester exams.
Thank you.
I'd like to discuss with you the value of the English for Academic Purposes course you did here last year before starting your university course. Spiros, if I could start with you, what parts of the program have now proved to be particularly valuable to you?
I think that having to do a seminar presentation really helped me. For example, a couple of weeks ago in our marketing subject, when it was my turn to give a presentation, I felt quite confident. Of course, I was still nervous, but because I had done one before, I knew what to expect.
so what does that mean he was feeling confident કેમ કારણ કે પહેલા એ વસ્તુથી નીકળી ગયો છે એટલે એને શું થયો his style was good clear with that yes થોડું nervous હતું but still he can pass it why because he was having the experience earlier so શું આવે answer nervous તો નીકળી ગયું presentation was best ના કહેવાય his style was good that means he was good clear
Yes, ma'am.
okay 22 23 હતું કે 25 devansh
24. 24, ma'am.
24 how does Spiros feel about his performance in tutorial
Also, I know I was well prepared.
In my group, I was really surprised by the way the students did their presentations. They just read their notes aloud. Can you believe that? They didn't worry about their presentation style or keeping eye contact with their audience. And I remember that these things were really stressed to us in the course here.
So, how did you approach your presentation, Hiroko?
Well, to speak frankly, I read my notes too. At the time, it was a relief to do it this way, but actually, when I had finished, I didn't feel any real sense of satisfaction.
I didn't feel any real sense of satisfaction એટલે શું કહેવાય બેટા not very happy ખબર પડી
Yes, ma'am.
yes okay પછી 25 કોઈનું છે 26 કીધું તું દેવાંશે right જોઈ લઉં
I didn't feel positive.
I've not said anything in so different. It's not the style we were used to during the course. Because they know each other's habits, they can let each other into the discussion.
why is Hiroko feeling more positive about the tutorial now right so 26 માં એ જોવાનું છે
For most of this semester, I've said absolutely nothing in tutorials. But recently, I've been trying to speak up more, and I just jump in. And I've noticed an interesting thing. I've
तो
noticed
उन्होंने क्या बोला she just jump in अब वो क्या करती है what she does she is making more of a contribution that means she is trying to you know a clearly શું
What?
થાય છે શું કહેવાય છે એને she tried to contribute in the discussion she has that audacity and she is able to discuss everything એટલે contribution કહેવાય ને that's why she uses the word na that I try to jump in ખબર પડી
Yes, ma'am.
okay ચલો next Next, 27, 28, 29, 30.
No, ma'am.
31st to 40. 31st to 40.
No, ma'am.
Just that if they thought my point was interesting or new,
6. Section 4 માં down.
No,
No.
ma'am.
No, done. Shall we start with reading?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Like
Okay.
breakdown for this question. Government should, it is like government should fund for protecting. એટલે કરવું જોઈએ કે private organization તે કરવું જોઈએ એ
Hmm.
તો કોની responsibility માં આવે ને કોનાથી સારું થાય કે ખરાબ થાય એવું કંઈ
ચલો સૌથી પહેલા તમે આન્સર્સ માર્ક કરી લો.
Okay.
Okay. Mark your answers. Number 1, C. 2B, B for Bombay. 3A, 4D, D for Delhi. 5A. માર્ક કર્યું.
Yeah.
Yes.
6 તમે ગેસ ટર્બાઇન લખો કાં તો ઇલાસ્ટિક સ્ટીલ ચેસીસ લખો. સ્ટીલ ચેસીસ બી એકલું ચાલશે. ઓકે, સ્મોલ ગેસ ટર્બાઇન બી ચાલશે. એનીથિંગ વુડ બી ફાઇન. જનરેટર બી ચાલે. નેક્સ્ટ, પ્લાસ્ટિક કિટ્સ. 8 લાઇટર. લેસ નતું લખવાનું હતું હા, લાઇટર. 9 GM. 10 R. 11 F. 12 R. 13 SC. 14 R. 15 B. B for Bombay. 16 A. 17 D. D for Delhi. 18 C. 19 PR. 20 CO. 21 SL. 22 NL. 23 yes. 24 no. 25 not given. 26 not given. 27 no. 28 yes. 29 V double I. 30 triple I. 31 VI. 32 double I. 33 IX. 34 C. 35 G. 36 A. 37 F. 38 D. 39 B. Done. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Scores
33.
33. That would be 7. Good. Devansh.
27.
That would go with 6.5 pounds. Okay. જોઈ લઈએ. Number 1 to 5 માં કશું?
There are questions that might come up for government has
Three, four.
What you have seen in 3, beta, here it is talking about કે આ વાળું સિસ્ટમ હતું કમ્પ્યુટરેટેડ ડિઝાઇન સિસ્ટમ માટે. તો આ જે નવી બિલ્ડ થવાની છે રેપ્લિકા ન્યૂ એરલાઇનર જો Boeing will not have to build a giant replica of its new airliner, the 777, to make sure all the bits fit together in its kaya system computer aided design system and they will its computer aided system will take care of what to make it together to fit it together. So એટલે શું કહેવાય to check the design. ખબર પડી ડિઝાઇન વાળું એક જ કીવર્ડ છે ને અંદર
Yes.
એક્ઝેક્ટ વસ્તુ આપ્યું હતું બટ શું કીધું તું સ્ટેટમેન્ટમાં will not needed the replica of this. પાય પૂછ્યું હતું ને આપણને આ ક્વેશ્ચન જોવાનું હતું ને ખબર પડી વાય એટલે રીઝન તો કેમ નહીં because it can use its computer to check their design એટલે રેપ્લિકા નતું જોઈતું તું ડિઝાઇન ચેક આનાથી રિલેટેડ થઈ જશે ખબર પડી so that becomes the answer પછી 4
Yes.
4 માં શું લખ્યું how did Renault test drive the Raccoon કેવી રીતે ટેસ્ટ ડ્રાઈવ કર્યો
Zero.
નીચે જ લખ્યું છે ને વર્ચ્યુઅલ રિયાલિટી જીડિટાઇઝ્ડ ડિજિટાઇઝ્ડ વર્ચ્યુઅલ રિયાલિટી કરીને કીવર્ડ નથી આમાં
Yes, ma'am.
ઓકે
પણ ડિઝાઇનની વાત નથી કરી આમાં.
શેની
Designing it.
How did Renault test drive the Raccoon? Test drive કેવી રીતે કર્યો? How is the question. So Renault is taking CAD further. So Renault કેવી રીતે? It claims the Raccoon is the world's first vehicle to be designed within કેવી રીતે? Digitized, digitally. Not on the road. It is talking on digital only. Virtual reality. It is something which is not real, like that. So meaning એ જ વસ્તુ થઈ એટલે આજ લખ્યું છે ને Renault's industrial design director to drive its long before a prototype existed. તો vehicle કેવી રીતે how એટલે શું કેવી રીતે થયું હતું how answer કરવાનું છે with the help of digitized virtual reality. ખબર પડી
Yes, ma'am.
okay next okay anything in 6 to 8
Ma'am,
No, ma'am.
sixમાં answer શું હતો?
ગેસ ટર્બાઇન બેટા ફ્યુચર ડિઝાઇન ફીચર એક ફીચર કહેવાનું હતું તમને ખબર પડી so Raccoon reflects that race between the old and new શું છે it uses conventional steel. Renault describes a new high limit elastic steel in its chassis. Chassis એટલે કારનું જે આગળનું હોય છે એ so basically elastic steel chases કહો તમે એ ચાલશે એ steel 30% lighter હશે usual કાંડમાં so Raccoon also has a part made from composites replace the petrol engine with small gas turbine તો આજે જે પેટ્રોલ engine થાય છે એ સેના કયા વેમાં કન્વર્ટ થશે ગેસ
Yes, ma'am.
ટર્બાઇનમાં either you write small gas turbine તો આપણે ફ્યુચર લેવાનું હતું કે પ્રેઝન્ટ લેવાનું હતું ઓલ્ડ કે ન્યુ
New.
ન્યુ ફ્યુચર કીધું ને એટલે કમિંગ ટુ ન્યુ ફ્યુચર મીન્સ દર વખતે એ લોકો will નહીં કે and even if not you can see which could means future tense થયું ને
Yes.
so old and new થી બી ખબર પડી જાય આનાથી બી ખબર પડી જાય so એ જે ગેસ ટર્બાઇન છે એ આવી રીતે બનશે sorry
Lighter steel.
lighter
હા એટલે
આપણે
actually
ફીચર
બધા
જોવાનું
factor.
છે.
Okay ma'am, got it.
फीचर जोવાનું છે बेटा. क्वेश्चन में फ्यूचर डिजाइन का फीचर क्या होगा, तो डिजाइन फीचर क्या होगा, ये फीचर हुआ ना रिप्लेस. कौन सा फीचर रिप्लेस हो रहा है पेट्रोल इंजन से टू गैस टरबाइन. न्यू क्या आने वाला है, हाई लिमिट इलास्टिक स्टील. तो इलास्टिक स्टील कीवर्ड है चेसिस में, दैट इज बोर्ड पे. तो फीचर का मतलब क्या हुआ, द पार्ट. राइट, मोबाइल में भी फीचर्स હોય ને કે આવા આવા ફીચર્સ છે, ખબર પડી.
Yes ma'am.
એન્ડ ફ્યુચરના જે કાર્સ છે એ કેવી રીતે અસેમ્બલ કરશે, અસેમ્બલ્ડ એટલે મેકિંગ ઇટ ટુગેધર. તો એ એવી રીતે અસેમ્બલ થશે દેટ ઇટ ઇઝ લાઈક અ પ્લાસ્ટિક કિટ. તો આ આવે આન્સર. એન્ડ 40% જે તમે લખ્યું છે એમાં લેસ નહીં આવે. આપણે શું જોવાનું હતું, જે બી એડવાન્ટેજ છે અલ્ટ્રાલાઇટ એન્જિનની, ઇટ ઇઝ આપ્યું છે ને એડવાન્સીસ ઇન એન્જિન ટેકનોલોજી ટુ મેક કાર્સને શું કરવાનું છે, હલકું કહેવાય ને. તો અલ્ટ્રા
Yeah.
લાઇટ થી કાર્સમાં શું થશે, ઇટ વિલ બી લાઇટર. આ ધેન આપણે ક્યારે યુઝ કરીએ, કમ્પેરિઝન માટે. તો અહીંયા કમ્પેરિઝન હતો, બટ આ જગ્યાએ જે યુઝ કર્યું હતું ને ફ્રેઝ આગળવાળું ચેન્જ કર્યું છે. જો અધર કાર એન્જિન, તો અધર કાર્સથી અલ્ટ્રાલાઇટ એન્જિન યુઝ કરીને અધર કાર્સથી એ 40% શું કરવાના હતા, એ અધર કાર્સથી જે એન્જિન છે એ કાર એન્જિનને લાઇટર કરવાના હતા. એટલે લાઇટર વર્ડ આવે, લેસ નહીં. ક્લિયર? યસ. કલાપિકા and દેવાંશ.
Yes, ma'am.
9 to 14.
No ma'am.
Okay. In passage 2, anybody from 15 to 18?
18.
18,
16 and 18.
16 and 18.
Yes.
Yes, you're ready?
16, right, Devansh?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, females generally do best at maths and science. Female carry best હોય છે maths and science માં. So if you look at number 16, આ વાંચીશ? Girls who are gifted in these subjects in elementary school begin to shy away from them by the 7th grade કરીને લખ્યું છે.
Yes ma'am.
આ વાંચીશ? એટલે incident happened. Limson notes that the little has changed now as too many teenage girls feel comfortable, right, unwell in the realms of maths and science and computing. So research shows that who are gifted in these subjects in elementary school, that means કયા ગ્રેડમાં, 7th ગ્રેડમાં કોણ સારું હતું, gifted with these subjects. કયા subject with these subjects in elementary school, એટલે કયા elementary school, 7th grade. So what should be the answer here? Females generally do best. ક્યારે best કરે છે લોકો? It is 7th grade. Clear?
Yes ma'am.
Next, 18. Which of the following is true about women studying in? હવે આમાંથી કયું સાચું છે એ કહેવાનું છે. ઓકે, સો આમાં કેવું આપ્યું છે? Can you see this? Wonderful the subject looks in high school, interest often diminish in college. Women કેટલા earn કરે છે? 30% of undergraduate degree awarded in computer science. Right? 30% કયા યરમાં બોલ્યા? 1991. 16% ક્યારે કીધું? 1993. So આ બંને ગયા. As opposed to the medical school where women take up कितना enrollment?
36.
30.
36%. ખબર પડી? તો હવે નીચે જો મારી પાસે ઓપ્શન્સ કયા કયા છે? Which of the following is true about women studying in university? तुम्हारे highest એમાં મળ્યું 36% in medical school. ખબર પડી? એ ટાઈમમાં આબે તો હતું જ, બટ એ લોકોએ શું કર્યું? અપોઝ વાળું કીવર્ડ વાપર્યું. સો માય મેઇન ફોકસ ઇઝ હવે મેડિકલમાં કેટલા ટેકઅપ કરે છે વુમન? વિચ વન ઇઝ ટ્રુ? 36% ઓફ ટોટલ એનરોલમેન્ટ શેની અંદર? મેડિકલ સ્કૂલની અંદર. ક્લિયર થયું? અને એના પછી પ્રપોર્શન ફરી શ્રિંક થાય છે. સો તમારે આ પિક
તમે
કરવાનું હતું.
આન્સરમાં સી બોલ્યું.
30. Oh, sorry. No. This one.
Which is that
B it is.
should be done by the
B માર્ક કર્યું છે તમે લોકોએ?
કે પવન વોલ્ટેજ કરવું જોઈએ
હા.
Yes, ma'am.
હા, he is correct. Make it correct.
એના લીધે it should actually um,
Done.
be protected and protection
તો હવે 39 થઈ ગયું. દેવાંશ?
એવું કહેવાય છે. Yeah. હા હું
કલાપિકા 34 થઈ ગયું તારું?
કે અગર
યસ.
બી છે બટ બી ને સી ની વચ્ચે માર્ક કર્યું છે ને એટલે લાગ્યું આઈ થોટ ઇટ ઇઝ સી બટ બી વુડ બી ધી આન્સર. ચલો 19 to 22 નેક્સ્ટ.
their whole purpose will be not social but something
No,
which
no.
is profit.
નો
No, ma'am.
23 to 28 હશે ને? આ આવ્યું છે 26.
This is providing
યસ. હા.
શું લખ્યું છે બેટા? તેમાં જે ખોટું કર્યું સ્ટેટમેન્ટ આપ્યું હશે બટ આર દે એન્શિયસ અબાઉટ ધેમસેલ્વ્સ?
Which country the team has like better
આવું કઈ સ્ટેટમેન્ટ આપ્યું છે કે પોતાથી રિલેટેડ એન્શિયસ છે?
providers can they work
ઓફન એન્શિયસ એવું કઈ આપ્યું છે દર વખત?
from the services that they provide. So
ના.
તો પછી નો તો નહીં આવે ને, શું આવશે? Just they have said that women anxious to give off themselves.
second,
Give off એટલે આપી દેવાનું એમ. Give off એટલે quit kind of thing. So they are anxious but often anxious એવું કશું blame આપ્યું છે અહીંયા passage માં? Often means repeatedly. Getting it? So women are often anxious about themselves. એટલે આ શું આવે? Not given. આ કઈ વસ્તુ proof રાઇટરે નથી કર્યું. કેમ? If it is impossible to say, writer thinks about this. So writer આના ઉપર કઈ વિચાર આપ્યું કે એ લોકો કેમ anxious હોય છે એમનાથી related? About themselves એટલે ખુદથી related. ખબર પડી?
No.
Next.
organizations are also part of the community. આગલા speaker છે we are a part of
23 થી 28 માં છે કશું?
No, ma'am.
Okay. 29 to 33 માં?
29 and 31.
29 is section C. Can you see here it is talking about? Huh. Can you see it says suggests that the 25% increase in the density बात करें. Although it would be necessary to reduce the size of houses. So the cost of approach is more people living in smaller homes at higher density. So it goes with किससे बात हुई है at the end? Dwelling से related बात हुई है. So ज़्यादा density है, right? So what does it talk about? कैसे रहना है? Living standards की बात हो रही है ना? Realistic, that means to be practical, to reduce the personal space standards. What do you call that? Appropriate. Related to again practical, proper. खबर पड़ी? 29 should be
Yes.
B, double I. Then 31. सेक्शन ई आपको क्लियरली यहाँ पे पता चल जाएगा. इट टॉक्स अबाउट rely on the private sector to produce this urban housing, right? So choose to live in high density developments of small dwellings. Minimal open space की बात की, park की बात की, highway की बात की. Okay, so main summers will be single people है, couples है, यानी कैसे टाइप के लोग रहेंगे, children है, right? So basically people who can choose to spend time outside. तो urban cultural opportunities की बात की है, activities की बात की, cottage की बात की. So basically they are talking on what?
As language plays an integral part of television broadcast the programs on the basis
Clear?
of the language.
Cities for people कैसे होना चाहिए? So it's not a question mark, it's like
You disagree.
a thing, like cities for people, how it should be. So here what they have explained. Can you see the question marks here?
Everything
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that would be the answer. Next,
and the
29 to 33 ma. Sorry,
33.
33 section H. What does it talk about? Urban housing options may technically be sustainable, but perception among planners that new housing investment can be forced into those area that planners want to see developed. So ये area नहीं change किए ये लोग ने? Do you think unacceptable है ना? So still seems to be perception among planners that new housing investment can be forced into those areas that planners want to see developed without proper consideration of where the prospective purchase want to live. Without proper, that means they don't want to consider whether they are going to live or not. So it is a fatal flaw in the premise. So housing development runs businesses, right? Committed building houses and they are not obliged to invest their resources in housing development. When you say they are not obliged to do all these things, what do you call this now? What do you call this? Hmm?
Business.
Housing as a yes business. Clear?
Yes.
Chalo. Next, 34 to 39.
તેમાં participate કેમ કરવું જોઈએ? Should join this. Number one can help pursue the
34 to 39.
second
I'm
can
35 and 37.
Sorry, 35 and
37.
35 says there are two types of dash, right? We need to see this part. So if I talk about two types of dash, come down to your passage. अगर टाइप्स जानना है तो पैसेज के फर्स्ट में ही होना चाहिए. Okay, can you see two types? Those for whom cities are vibrant and exciting, a focus for human activity. And second is for whom they are dirty, noisy and dangerous. So attitude કહેવાય ને? Attitude એટલે behavior. So there are two types of what you call attitude towards city living. ખબર પડી?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next 38 now. Planners might try to dictate what they would try to dictate.
Oh, 37, ma'am.
Okay, sorry, 37. Developers are unlikely to build houses. Why they are not, they don't want to build houses? આપણને અત્યારે આપણે વાંચ્યું હતું ને કે લોકોએ house નથી build કર્યા. એટલે they are unlikely means they don't wish. Can you see? Housing development, they run business, but they are not irrevocably committed to build houses and they are not obliged to invest their resources in housing. They don't want to consider what perspective of purchasers want to live. Purchasers means customers want to live. So what do you call that? અહીંયા છે. Purchasers want to live. ખબર પડી? So developers are unlikely, means they don't want to build houses where purchasers want to live. That means where people want to, sorry, people do not want to live, like that. Okay. ક્લિયર દેવાંશ અનલાઇકલી યુઝ કર્યું છે એટલે ડુ નોટ નેગેટિવમાં આવી ગયું લાઇકલી હતું ને તો આમાં પીપલ વોન્ટ ટુ લીવ આવી જાય પછી આ નેગેટિવ ના જાય ઇટ ઇઝ જસ્ટ બીકોઝ ધ વર્ડ that they have added. ક્લિયર.
Yes, ma'am.
પછી નેક્સ્ટ કયો નંબર હતો તારો? યસ કલાપિકા, એની અધર નંબર? નો.
No.
Okay, so do one thing, take a break of how many minutes you want the break? Yes.
I'm 5:10 સુધી.
5:10. Okay, so take a break till 5:10 and then join back. We'll see you at 5:10. Just take a break. Done. Kalapika and Devansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Devansh आएगा. Okay, let us start. Anthony. Let me know if you can see this. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So what do you have here? It's not a cycle, probably. What it is? What it would be? A picture diagram.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, समझाए छे right बताने. So simply can I say the diagram compares the various weather. यही हमें change करना है, paraphrase करना है. The diagrams को you can use the term the pictorial diagram compares two different conditions or two different weathers का तो various weather positions in Australia and कहीं आगड़ी Peru with normal and next is El Nino condition, right? So ये paraphrase થશે આમાં કઈ scale mention ના થાય કઈ categories જે છે એ Australia Peru છે that is what you have already written. So there is no scale to write. Okay. Now what is happening in normal condition? Can I start like this would be considered in one paragraph and this would be considered in second paragraph, right? After the introduction, you will explain first the normal conditions. So can you say that to begin with, there are two specific questions, that is two
East and
specific question direction, that is East Pacific and West Pacific. So what is happening in East Pacific? It is having a stronger wind trades comparing to West. So when the strong wind blows here, when the strong wind blows, right? What happens? Cool water and rich nutrients, it goes up, which influence warm water to flow towards kai side ma?
west.
West Pacific, right? And then it pours, the storm clouds forms due to which it, what kind of condition or what kind of weather will create? Rainy. Okay. So it makes a rainy weather. Kai agadi? It
Australia.
creates, yes, rainy weather. And consequently, Peru will be having a sunny weather.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, or you can use the term hotter comparing to Australia. So due to this, what happens? As Peru is hotter than the Australia, because of this process, the stock of fish will increase. And in Australia, due to the rain, the vegetation will grow properly, or means it helps plants to grow. Clear? Now, when it comes to
Yes.
next, can you see it is different? Are strong winds West Pacific માં થયો? So in this case, what I can say, what linker I can use, however, right? Kato on the other hand, El Nino conditions or in El Nino condition, now West Pacific will be experiencing strong wind trade. Okay, due to this, what will happen? The storm clouds, it will move towards which coast? East, right? and here it will pour the rain, due to which the warm water will now get pushed towards the or flows towards the East Pacific. The cooler water will settle down with poor nutrients, due to which the fish stock will decrease because of the rainy weather. And as the Australia will be hotter, it will decay the plants, right? Or it would result into decaying of plants. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, when I write overall for this, I can say it is clearly seen that there is imbalance. कुछ भी balanced नहीं है यहाँ पे, right? So there is imbalance between the west and east Pacific coast during both the conditions, can be said. Right? Or you can say normal conditions results are, you can say normal condition Australia and Peru faces the does not face any kind of problems as compared to the El Nino conditions where the plants get decades and the fish stock or the fish demand will decrease. એવી રીતે બી compare કરીને કહેવાય. ખબર પડી? So anything that you find is relevant or anything that you find is important, just pick in terms of two elements or as a form of striking feature, and you need to write in that way. Okay? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Writing task 1 खबर पड़ी गई?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now we'll be having writing task 2. Just a second. Please tell me the question. Just a second, let me just type the question. Meanwhile, let me mute. So our listening અહીંયા પતી જશે, there won't be any disturbance. Okay, what kind of question do you have here? It is a
Hybrid.
कहीं थी हाइब्रिड बेटा, डबल क्वेश्चन भूली गई. They are talking
अच्छा हाँ.
about what factors have contributed to the problem and how it can be reduced. That is a solution. So basically, you call it as problem solution. Remember? It is problem solution. Okay. In terms of problem solution, introduction, you don't need any kind of opinion, but only the general information would be given. Right? Body 1, write down the first problem. Okay. Plus its solution plus example. Right? Similarly, body 2, the second problem, its solution plus example. This would be in body 2. But when you write body 3, it depends whether you want to make it or not. It would be optional. But third problem, solution plus example. When you write conclusion, you don't write all the problem. So state, sorry, sum up, major or common problem. Elaborate little plus suggestion. Okay. Guys, please prepare your points according to this. I will mute it for a while. Once the listening gets over, we will discuss it. Okay. So there is no disturbance in the class. Please be ready with the points. You need to speak everything, right? Just give me 5 minutes more. What would be your points?
First of all, overpopulation.
Hmm.
એનાથી જોઈન્ટ ફેમિલીમાં બધા સેપરેટ થઈ જાય તો એ લોકો ઘર લઈ લે અને બીજા પુઅર લોકોને ના મળે. સોરી.
Migration. Getting it from?
Your voice is not properly audible.
Now, can you hear me?
Yes.
ઓકે તે ઓવર પોપ્યુલેશન જે પોઈન્ટ કીધું ને મને એ ઓવર પોપ્યુલેશન શેના લીધે થાય છે તું એક વસ્તુ પકડીને એક્સપ્લેન કરીશ ને બેસિકલી બીકોઝ ઓફ ધી માઇગ્રેશન ઓફ પીપલ ફ્રોમ રૂરલ ટુ અર્બન વોટ ફોર ધી વર્ક પર્પઝીસ જેના લીધે ખાસા બધા લોકો એમનું ઘર-वर છોડીને they come and they stay anywhere where they get the place to stay. So this also increases ek jagah par poverty. So they don't have basic necessity when sorry they struggle for their basic necessity. તો આના લીધે શું થાય છે? બેસિક નેસેસિટી માટે જે જ્યારે એ લોકો ફાઇટ કરતા હોય સ્ટ્રગલ કરતા હોય so they don't have that much of amount, right? No amount to purchase house, right? It can be solved. કેવી રીતે it can be solved? Government provide certain scheme that is low cost housing, right? To homeless people કહેવાય. Clear થયું હવે? Now when you were talking about the joint family, what do you call that? That is nothing but what do you call that? Adaptation of modern lifestyle.
Yes.
Now to adapt the modern lifestyle, what people are doing? Can use the term earlier કરીને હું પહેલા joint family ને explain કરી શકું છું where number of people live together. But once they adapt the modern lifestyle, now they have started segregating or splitting in the form of families. KY. So it results into what? Less house, or you can use the term overcrowding, or it increases more demand of house. Now it can be eliminated. કેવી રીતે? દેવાંશ કેવી રીતે એલિમિનેટ કરાય એને?
Ma'am, by living in apartments or utilizing
બેસિકલી વર્ટિકલ
house.
કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન કહેવાય.
Yes, ma'am.
વધારવું જોઈએ so that people can be easily accommodated or something, right? મારે ત્રીજો પર લખવું હોય so can I take the term industrialization?
Yes.
Because in industrialization it acquire land, right? So આના લીધે શું થાય? Lack of space, construct to build house. હવે આ વસ્તુ થતી હોય, right? Industrialization શેના લીધે આવ્યો? Because of the science and technology. And it acquires more land. Why? Because they want to increase the employment rate કરીને. તો તમે દરેક વસ્તુનું reason નો સમજાવો. But again, you can say it can be solved, or it can be, you can use the term overcome. How it can be overcome? Hmm? How it can be overcome? There should be approach. Approach to do what? Approach to set industries in outskirts. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. બીજું કોઈ point છે? Yes. Any other point?
No, ma'am.
Introduction માં clearly લખાય about the housing. Housing plays the essential role, or you can talk about one of the basic need. If people have shelter, they have peace or something. There are certain people, nowadays, because of nowadays you can say it is rare to find a proper house or accommodation for people in many countries around the world. There are certain factors that have contributed to this problem, but at the same time, there are certain measures that can be taken to reduce the number of homeless people. Khabar padi? So try to paraphrase, right? The entire event. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And when you conclude કરીને, guys, do not forget to write the example. Do not forget to write the example. Make sure that you mention the examples. And when you write to conclude, it won't be on the all the three conclusion. You can simply say, for example, stating overpopulation, one of the common leading factor, or you can say major factor. Getting it? Which leads to so and so
Yes,
thing करके. Clear? कोई भी doubt है?
no, ma'am.
No?
No, ma'am.
Okay. What about Kalapika?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So that's all then. Please, if you have time, start writing and submit the task accordingly. Okay. If possible, please do that. And if you still have any doubt, please ask me. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So let's end of the day. Okay. Thank you so much for attending. Tomorrow be ready for your FLT, please. Okay.
I'm
Thank you,
tomorrow at
ma'am.
9 a.m.
Tomorrow at 9, same timing.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay? Yeah. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.